How to repair business credit. There are three main credit reporting bureaus: Dun & Bradstreet, D&B, Experian, and Equifax. FICO SBSS is also vital. There are four main business credit scores. Dun & Bradstreet Paydex score runs from 0 to 100. 80 or better is good. With Experian's IntelliScore runs from 0 to 100. 76 or better is good. The Equifax credit risk score also runs from 0 to 100. 90 or better is good. And there's also the FICO SBSS, that is, the FICO Small Business Scoring Service. A big part of repairing your business credit means disputing errors. All of the business credit reporting agencies want their reports to be right, so they welcome your disputes. They have differing means of disputing. Be sure to check. Disputes nearly always mean receipts and other proof and crystal clear communications, even clearer than you may think you need to be. What goes into Equifax business credit scoring? The main business credit scoring model is the credit risk score. This score was created to predict the probability of a business customer becoming seriously delinquent 90 days late in a 12-month period. Lower scores indicate a higher risk of serious delinquency. Like Paydex, it's based on payment history. Let's look at what various Equifax credit risk scores mean. A score of 90 or better means paid as agreed. A score of 80 to 89 means payment is 1 to 30 days overdue. A score of 60 to 79 means payment is 31 to 60 days overdue. A score of 40 to 59 means payment is 61 to 90 days overdue. A score of 20 to 39 means payment is 91 to 120 days overdue. And a score of 1 to 19 means payment is 120 or more days overdue. How do you dispute Equifax? You can get your Equifax business credit report at equifax.com/business/credit-information. You can dispute your small business's Equifax report by following the directions at equifax.com/small-business-FAQs/#dispute-FAQs. You will need to send a research request form available at equifax.com/cp/mail-in-disclosure-request.pdf. Let's look at an Equifax dispute form. And here's more of an Equifax dispute form. Repair your business credit and go beyond disputes. Paying on time and in full will raise your business credit scores more than anything else. Paying early is even more helpful. Also, don't apply for too much credit at a time, as too many inquiries will lower your scores. Instead, use a business credit builder service. Keep track of your credit. Don't let problems slide. And don't forget to monitor your business credit. Catch problems before they worsen. Know what is happening with your credit. Make certain it is being reported and take care of any mistakes as soon as possible. Get in the habit of checking credit reports. Dig into the specifics and not just the scores. We can help you monitor business credit at Experian and D&B for only $24 a month. See creditsuite.com/monitoring. Let's recap. All three of the big business CRAs welcome your disputes. They want their reports to be right. Each CRA has its own scoring system and its own way of handling disputes. Raise your scores by paying on time and keep inquiries low. And monitor your business credit to nip problems in the bud. Contact us today to learn more about how to repair business credit.